How to use this book. This book is written with the Extension 2 student in mind, but every level of student should be able to get something out of this book, even if it's just to see what is out there mathematically. I have met many standard students who end up taking maths courses of Extension 2 difficulty in their first year of university, and this book would have certainly lessened the shock for them. The things here include the types of things I wish I had learned in high school before starting university, and perhaps a little extra to make up for almost a generation of time passing. The syllabus has not been the spine that has shaped this book, but is addressed for the convenience and peace of mind of the reader. This book is mainly shaped by the urge to express the novelty of the idea of a function to high school students and how to develop the idea in the direction of calculus. There is a strong sense of nostalgia that comes with this urge and a need to explain concepts that I had not completely understood as a student. The downside of the book medium is that you have to write from left to right and top to bottom, with ideas at the back only using the ideas at the front, and this is not necessarily how one learns mathematics. Sometimes the things at the start are there only because one has the end in mind, so skipping is encouraged for a broader point of view of what's going on. It is also good if you are stuck on something that you can let it simmer in your mind as you keep going forwards exploring new ideas. The kind of skipping that is not encouraged is the kind where one skips to the answers. There is an appropriate amount of struggle that one is meant to experience to appreciate the material that cannot be replaced.